Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about AI crypto, why decentralization in AI is important, and we're going to also go over some of the top AI crypto projects as well, according to Forbes. So let's jump into it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching there as well. And let's jump into our video here. I just want to make sure you guys can see this okay. This is the article from Forbes. So they came out with, let's see here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So artificial intelligence, they came out with this write-up of why decentralized AI is important, and it kind of explains to you the background as to why these projects are doing what they're doing. So if you're interested in that part, stick around to the end, and we're going to tell you some of the best top AI crypto projects for 2025. They're talking about decentralized AI here. So artificial intelligence has raised some critical concerns about ownership and privacy and control over creative expression. We've heard a lot of this, people using other people's work to basically train their AI. And the centralized nature of most AI systems concentrates power, gives power in the hands of a few corporations. We see like the big corporations like Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, leaving copyright creators and owners vulnerable to exploitation. OpenAI recognizes the legal limits of using unlicensed copyrighted materials to train their ChatGPT tools. OpenAI said that it could not train large language models such as its GPT-4 model, the technology behind ChatGPT, without access to copyrighted work. And is that really fair? And that's kind of where we're at right now in terms of centralized AI. OpenAI's strategic partner, Microsoft, is usually a strong proponent of robust copyright protection. I actually worked my first full-time job out of high school. I worked for a call center, and I was actually a Microsoft customer service agent, right? So we were trained by Microsoft, and it was all like Microsoft certified and everything like that to basically help people with their customer service needs when you're calling into the Microsoft call center. And a lot of times what we came upon was, trying to determine if people were using legitimate copies of Windows or not. And, Microsoft has been a victim of piracy in that regard for a long time. So at least eight newspaper publishers are suing Microsoft and OpenAI for copyright infringement, not excused by fair use. So fair use is something that they kind of hide behind. And information, obviously comes from somewhere. They have to find the information to train their models somewhere. But it's funny how copyright works. Either decentralized or enter decentralized AI. So this is what's basically happening. So decentralized AI is empowering individuals and communities with autonomy over their creativity while ensuring fair rewards for contributions. Instead of a large company stealing your information to train their AI agents or their AI models, we're now, using information from the people, and it's basically given to them for rewards for their contributions. So decentralized AI leverages blockchain and distributed ledger technology to distribute the development and governance of AI systems across a global network. So enter projects like Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, and there's a number out there, right? But you guys know that I'm pretty partial to ASI. So ownership and privacy. This is what it kind of this is the benefits for the transformation into decentralized AI. We have ownership and privacy. Contributions to training AI models are transparent and traceable. Fair compensation, tokenizing contributions where you reward participants for basically giving them their information. Security reduces single points of failure, making systems more resilient against cyber attacks and things like that. Global collaboration. So we'll have a collective intelligence that transcends geographic and institutional boundaries. It's not just limited to one area. It's going to learn from all over the world. Transparency and decision making. So this ensures the evolution of AI aligns with the values of its participants. So not giving the power to just centralized AI tech companies, right? This makes sure that it's ethical, right? And I know Ben Gorsel goes on about ethics a lot, and so does Humayun in the FET project. They go on about ethics in AI because there's a boundary there, and this thing has to be kind of figured out as we go. And you can't cross those boundaries into stealing, basically using people's information without they're knowing, being compensated, or whatever. And that's what they're basically trying to solve. So some of the top decentralized AI projects to watch in 2025. So Forbes goes on to give us a list here. We have BitTensor, so that rewards participants with Tau tokens for training AI models. fetchai. fetchai provides decentralized AI tools for automation in industries like supply chain, mobility, and energy. And Singularity Net, are we seeing a pattern here? We've got FET, Singularity Net, and Ocean. So Singularity Net is an AI marketplace where developers can create, share, and monetize AI services. And you're going to say, but wait, Foxy, aren't they all together under ASI? They are. However, remember, they run independently. Singularity Net and Ocean Protocol might not have their tokens anymore trading and such on your exchanges and stuff, but they are still independently working on their own things, right? They're just using the FET ticker with the FET coin. So Ocean Protocol is there as well. Decentralized data marketplace enabling secure data sharing for AI development. They have a whole bunch of nodes. I actually saw an update today talking about the number of nodes that they have out there, which is phenomenal. They're doing very well there. And Numer AI is actually in my, if you have been paying attention to my $1,000 AI portfolio that I started back a couple months ago, Numer AI is actually in there as well. So they are a decentralized data science platform for financial modeling and predictions. So that's pretty cool. It's really neat to see Forbes kind of coming out, understanding the need for decentralized AI and kind of helping people understand it and kind of identify some of those top projects as well. Because it's about knowledge, and it's about basically knowing what it is you're getting into. I mean, we're probably out here training most of these AIs, like OpenAI and things like that, without even knowing where our information is being used to basically, train their models, train their languages and things like that. And, is it really fair? Is it really something that we should be aware of? Absolutely, in my opinion. I think that, people, they shouldn't be able to take your information and use it for their own gain without at least letting you know about it. Or I'm sure it's hidden somewhere in those terms and conditions, right? But, the ethics of AI is going to be something that we are going to butt heads over the next little while, and hopefully decentralized AI platforms can help alleviate some of those growing pains, right? So that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know we're getting up on into the holidays and the Christmas season and that, and I just want to take the time just for a moment to thank you guys so much for all the success over my channel over the last year and a half. I'm up to, I'm well surpassed 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm growing on X every day as well. So it's all thanks to you guys. I really, really appreciate it. And just to let you guys know, I am going to be giving away this Ledger Nano S Plus. It's you can see right there. It's all wrapped up. It's one that I got with my Ledger stacks, and I'm going to be giving it away, and I'm going to let you guys know about it a little bit later on down the line, maybe sometime this week, maybe kind of like a Christmas thing. Now the Canada Post is back to work. We might be able to actually get it shipped somewhere. So yeah, I'll give you guys some more information on that. Obviously, I will let you know before that happens so that everybody has a chance to kind of get in. So thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.